Lipton has been very particular about his research, or pinpointing what he was doing in terms of the motorcade for years. He's been meticulous on the John Kennedy assassination. And all of a sudden, he came out with an article that is totally false in the New Times magazine, and it's really surprising that somebody as particular and meticulous as David Lipton would bring out this article. The claims of the New Times article by Jeff Cohn and David Lipton is that James Earl Ray and his brother Jerry Ray were responsible for the killing
I knew he
of
was
Martin
going
Luther
to do
King,
that.
and that the mysterious Rowell that was meeting James Earl Ray was none other than his brother. New Times is known to the very serious researchers as a magazine that appears to be left, but is a slick cover-up of a cover-up, and the various people, such as Robert Sam Anson, that's on the staff, he's on the staff, who I do not trust, and I do not like his book. The president, Anson is one of the publishers or executives there defending the article. The article is a very simplistic one, and I know that David Lipton knows better than to put his name to any article in Slipshod like this. It's based upon old FBI reports, and another author, William Bradford Huey, who was part of the first cover-up of the Martin Luther King assassination. I've known David Lipton for many years, since about 1964. I know his work in the Kennedy matter, and I can't believe that he seriously would sign his name to this article. This must just be the second or third printed article he's ever done, because it's a terrible article. And opposing that article is Mark Lane, the researcher and author who's suing New Times about it, and Mark Lane is representing Jerry Ray, that's James Earl Ray's brother.
Be on camera. Just trying to get a snack right now.
A researcher, simply a mouthpiece, co-authored this particular article a year ago. He didn't believe there was a conspiracy to kill Martin Luther King at all. So they've co-authored this article, and I will go into it some more at length within a week or two as I read all the details of it. History is being perverted by people who appear as researchers, as well as the major news media, people like Dan Rand and the Cronkite's, but it's really confusing for those who are very serious into studying the Kennedy assassination. They have to take sides with various researchers on a personality basis. As I was there, and just returned to New Orleans, and that's finished off in New Orleans for being part of the conspiracy to kill Kennedy. I went immediately to New Orleans as soon as I could to see his evidence and to meet Jim Garrison and see what he had. It was at that point in 1967 that David Lipton got very angry with me and thought it was highly
Bring some leftover carrot salad. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it.
And it was Sylvia Meagher in New York. She was considered the expert so far of the researchers up to 67, and I still consider her one of the fine researchers. But she got involved in this Jim Garrison matter, and we moved to New Orleans to see him. In her book, Accessories After the Fact, which is a very good book on the Kennedy assassination. And
every stinking damn time I'm got my back turned.
26 volumes of the Warren Commission hearings, which was used by the researchers, which is an excellent index, except that in the testimony of the Kennedy assassination, when the name of Howard Hughes is brought up, such as the case of Jean de Mohrenschildt, and I'll bring that up in a few minutes, or the Nazis that came from Germany, or the American Nazis that were trained in Germany, that moved to the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and those kind of Nazis. On 60 Minutes, I had a subject on American Nazis, I know, trained there, and they do all over the country. Well, American Nazis had gone from Germany to the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and German Nazis had direct links to people
must be
involved
ones
in
that he had from 4th of July that he didn't use.
It seems that Sylvia Meagher's index leaves out all the names of those particular witnesses, and David Lipton has never handled this angle of the assassination. He hasn't published much, but now he is helping with a cover-up or confusion of the Martin Luther King case. There are certain truths about these stories. I believe there are, and to get through all the researchers, you only have to list
speed it up a little
amount of physical evidence that is important to solve any conspiracy.
I know you're gonna blast them as soon as I turn my back here again.
The civil rights leader isn't any different than killing a person who runs a in the street, or somebody, the is a simple homicide. There's
Fireworks,
nothing more
fireworks,
complicated in one case than the other. There's always the
Beavis and Butthead. Fire, fire, fire.
The weapon was used, the actual proof that the person charged even owned the weapon. You can examine the weapon capability, whether the scope works, whether
Oh,
it
I
can
smell
shoot
it.
so many shots in a
Burnt
given amount
fireworks.
of time,
Ugh.
whether it contains fingerprints.
Come
or
on,
the
dude. I'm getting
fastened
tired of
using
standing
for wearing
here.
gloves. Is the
Show
ballistic account consistent with the weapon? If it can only shoot 8 bullets, and the police department and the FBI have 11, could that weapon be the only one? You can draw out from witnesses and photographs the location of the alleged assassin. You can find the location
Are we
of
done
the alleged other
yet?
killer if you compare it to autopsy reports and clothing.
Because I want to have
And
my
the fiber
snack.
and fabrics to tell the direction of the bullets. You can check into the finances of these accused assassins to see where their money was coming
Come
from and what
on.
periods of time they could have
Watch
access to
this.
people who
I'm going to go
funded
back
them.
in the kitchen
There's
again.
lab work, photographic evidence of pictures of
And I'm going to look like
chin,
crapola on film.
and then,
Crapola on film. How are you again? Can we finally get my snack? Oh, we're going to have kaboom, kaboom, kaboom.
They are the things that solve the crimes. When I studied assassination of John Kennedy, Robert Kennedy,
Come on.
or the shooting of George Wallace, or the shooting of Malcolm X, or any of these murders.
Oh, what the?
Ew! Just with the hard evidence.
Whoa.
And then ask yourself,
Doki.
not using this evidence, who is suppressing it, who is discrediting
Don't know what happened to
researchers
that
who
bowl.
want to use the evidence. And our experts, we want the ways to solve a crime. And you have to get away from the infighting.
Hello.
Place they times is useless. To promote the infighting, they write an article which is a true.
Stop it.
An article with
Stop it.
Harris on the cover, which also was untrue. And they have many pages, slipshod over the actual evidence of the case where there are any terms of heart. The character in heart.
9:33.
You have to read these articles and compare them. So it's important to know that
Pepperoni.
a person is taking place in
Pepperoni.
our minds, the way we see the world, the way
I
our
sing about my
structure is
food.
made, the way the
Pepperoni.
there are a lot of ways to change
Pepperoni.
drastically through various murders and assassinations, and it's important to study them. There's a new book out called
Pepperoni.
Story out of
Pepperoni.
LA by Paul Avery and a man named McCullough. And it's being advertised
Oh, I
in the
know.
paper yesterday in the Chronicle. The Voices of Guns is
That is
the
enough.
what Elvis Felder was in the Manson case. So that's probably the most true part of the entire book, because both books are fabrications and leaving out the whole truth. And both books are cover-ups of a large plot. The same way these various magazine articles continue to cover up and false call. You have to study them with your research, and I will go into more on James O'Leary in near future. Probably talk about that article. I do want to say that the Halloween fingerprints did not show up on the envelope that was delivered in Las Vegas, Nevada. There's a lot of talk about a contractor by the name of Levane Forsythe leaving an envelope at the gas station where Mr. Dunlop was supposed to receive a will which left him $185 million. That envelope has been examined and doesn't have any fingerprints or Halloween on it. There's certain forces go along with that. The original will, the Norman will. Reports of the use of state and its lack of fingerprints and development are only coming out of the Houston Post, the grandson, they're not on the Associated Press or the wire services, and I think it's important that people know what's going on in this country, but of course we're cut off from this information. Another way we're cut off is a story coming out of the Tulsa trial. There's a lawsuit, a large lawsuit, $450 million lawsuit against the Siemens Corporation and how it used people for the manipulation of Air West, the stock fraud, West purchase when Howard Hughes bought it, dropping the stock down, the stockholders were losing a lot of money. This trial was about to take place a few weeks ago, March the 12th, 1977, in the U.S. District Court of Judge Bruce Thompson in Las Vegas, Nevada.
Now this is supposed to be
The primary
glow in the dark now, polish.
trial, the first and most important, is George Crockett. And sitting in the courtroom waiting to be tried were three very,
no, it's
very
not.
important
It's
men
not even.
here. I think they're terribly important.
It's not glowing dark at all.
Seems to have gone on, particularly two of them. One is Robert Mayhew, the other is Chester Davis, the attorney, and the other is David Charney. Robert Mayhew hired them to organize crime to take part in
Turn that sheet around.
we know about
Whoa.